DSS-AWERE stands for Decision-Support System for Adaptive Wetland Restoration. It is a web-based decision support system designed to mainstream wetland restoration planning. It's particularly well suited to collaborative, interdisciplinary decision-making under conditions of uncertainty. Restoration planning faces several challenges, including complex socio-ecological systems, limited financial resources, slow ecological recovery, and uncertainty in predicted outcomes. The decision support systems provide a structured framework to guide complex decision-making, integrate interdisciplinary information, and address key assumptions and trade-offs. DSS-AWERE was developed and tested by the WaterLANDS project, with contributions from 10 knowledge sites and 5 action sites. The system follows a structured decision-making methodology underpinned by an adaptive co-management framework. This approach emphasizes iterative learning and continuous refinement through co-design, implementation, monitoring, and evaluation cycles. The web platform operationalizes a 7-step decision-making process. At each step, it supports decision makers by clarifying the decision context and objectives, comparing alternatives and their expected effects, highlighting uncertainties, and supporting a multi-criteria analysis before guiding the selection of monitoring indicators. DSS-AWERE also offers a curated library of science-based decision support tools and methods which can be used to inform decisions at each step of the process. DSS-AWERE is designed for restoration practitioners, site managers, planners, policymakers, researchers, and stakeholders engaged in co-design, helping them develop transparent, traceable, and adaptive restoration plans.